Here's another example of solving exponential equations. So this one's actually going to be as simple as the first one, but I just want to point something out. So let's say we have e squared equals e to the 5 minus x. Now this might look a little more complicated because now we have this crazy number e that we talked about briefly a few videos ago. But I do want to point out that it doesn't really matter what this is as long as it's valid, okay? As long as it's a valid base. All that matters is that it's the same base here and here. So because it's the same base on both sides, we can just equate the exponents just like we did in example 1. So even though in example 1 we had a nice base 2, and then here in example 3 we have a goofy base e, the same principle applies, same base on both sides, so we just equate the exponents. Okay, just want to point that out, that that's all that really matters, is that if you have the same base, as long as it's a valid base, you can use this technique. So using this technique, we just say 2 equals 5 minus x, subtract 5 from both sides, we get negative 3 equals negative x, and divide both, or multiply or divide both sides by negative 1, and we end up with 3 equals x, or just x equals 3. So x equals 3 is the solution to this equation here, e squared equals e to the 5 minus x.